Hello everyone and welcome to this walk around of our 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with a 5.0 Coyote swap in the engine bay. Speaking of the engine bay, it has been paint matched to the exterior of this car, giving a unique one-off look. And there's a fun fact about this car, it is also paint matched underneath. So this is a all-around showstopper car. Now to add style to this car, we have Boss Motorsport 5-star wheels up front and in the rear. All these wheels are wrapped in Nitto tires to get that Coyote power straight to the ground. And as for our stopping power, we have drilled and slotted rotors with, if you can get up close here, paint matched brake calipers. Really comes across as a beautiful car altogether. And now let's add to that beauty by taking a step aside. I also wanted to point it out, on this door we have bullet side view mirrors. You also find that on the passenger side. But now let's take a step inside this beautiful custom saddle interior, which, as you can see, the passenger and driver seats have custom stitched seating, as well as the rear with a custom package tray that has the JL audio system in the back and a custom headliner up top with custom door panels. And now as we make our way to the center console, you'll find the area where we can put your phone to a wireless charger. We also have the 6-speed manual transmission with a wood grain shift knob. It really pairs up with this beautiful wood grain steering wheel. Now to add entertainment for your passengers or for yourself, we have a retro sound Bluetooth radio. And to keep up with modern information for your car, we have Dakota Digital gauge clusters. Now, how about we go ahead and give a car this turn on. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and test out the AC, which this car comes with. It really feels nice on this hot summer day. So now that we have that all tested and good to go, let's go ahead and turn on this Coyote. That sounds absolutely beautiful. The 5.0 sound is being delivered through a Flowmaster ceramic coated exhaust underneath. Since we have the trunk slightly open up in here, you also find that this is a show ready trunk kit. As you can see here, we have the off switch for the battery with the terminals as well. It does look like an overall beautiful trunk. So all around, this car looks beautiful, it sounds beautiful, and it also drives beautiful. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.